Here was gonna crack again. Bucket header. Really?
Thanks.
Oh, sorry.
Thanks, bro. So today we're in the garage and I'm helping out my buddy Jerry, one of my neighbors. He's got some issues with his car. So he's actually gonna borrow some tools and, well, let's see what he's got. So I guess the story goes is that he was driving his car bottomed out and it ended up cracking the header. We're gonna go ahead and blow torch it. You can see the torch back over there. But of course it was burning the wrap that he had on the header, so we have to remove the wrap as well. Then it also has a seized O2 sensor. That O2 sensor right there is seized onto the header. And when we try to remove the header out of there, it hits the steering rod. So we are going to torch it, try to get the O2 out, so that way we can get the rest of the header out. Sponsored video.
Try not to touch the...
Today's sponsor, Firestone Mine Haze IPA. Now I'm motivated to work. All right, it's go time. Excuse me. Oh, well, now you got the wires in there. All right, well, fuck it. Give her hell. I don't think you're on there all the way.
Yeah, I don't think I can feel it. I'm not. Damn, that guy's on there.
Yeah, he is. He's way on there.
How the...
Fucking sensor.
Huh?
I said I was gonna break the sensor if we don't. If
That's
we can't.
where I was gonna go with it. I'm like, if you have a Sawzall, we just cut it off.
Not even. I'll just break it off. There it goes. It turned. There you go. It's going. Son of a bitch. There you go. There you go. All right. Damn. It's a long ass fucking header. Oh yeah, she cracked.
421.
Holy shit. Almost all the way around. Oh fuck. Yeah, for sure. Damn, that's a good one.
It started off tiny, the sound, and it just progressively got worse throughout the day.
Oh, I believe you.
And like burning my hands, I was like, oh dude, this thing's gonna catch fire soon.
Alright, well. Just take this shit back to the bat cave and weld this bitch up. Alright, so we're back in the garage. We got the header. Jerry just dropped it off. I got a new welding table. This is a clutch welding table bought from Northern Tools. All right, so I got the Jackson Racing header on the fixture table. Got a couple clamps holding it down. It is not 100% secure. You can see that we do have a little bit of movement. I think you can see that, right? So you can still able to move it around a little bit. And we're gonna try to clamp it down a little bit better. But yeah, that's what's cool about these fixture tables is you can kind of clamp something down onto the table. The table was super cheap. It was probably like 200 bucks. And it came with like all these fixtures and the table itself, and I kind of just put together really quickly. It probably took me like 20 minutes to put the table together. Anyway, guys, we're gonna start welding this crack here. I'm gonna probably try to preheat it and also try to get this closer a little bit to close the gap. So I need that a little bit closer so that we can just TIG weld that. Because all I got is argon, so I'm not able to MIG weld it as they did in the factory. But that's all right. We'll try to get it done regardless. just got finished spraying the Cerokote on the header. Let's check out the results. Guys, that is it for this video. Unfortunately, we can't install the header because, well, it hasn't fully cured and dried. It's gonna take up to 5 days to fully cure before we could actually install this. Now, technically, it's 24 hours before you could actually handle it. Of course, you still have to be careful because it hasn't fully cured. Once those 5 days pass, then you could actually install this with no problems or no worries. Of course, it does take a while because this type of Cerokote is air cured. It's not oven baked or oven cured. So there is a slight drawback with that, but that's the only way you're gonna be able to Cerokote something in your home garage without an oven. And well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'll have more videos coming soon. I know I've been away for a little bit, but I'm starting to come back. Anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Stay spraying. Catch you guys on the next one.